Hey y'all, I hope that you're having a great day. I am so excited to come to you guys. I know a lot of you guys have been anticipating this video, but I'm going to share with you in this video all about my Summer Essentials event, okay? So starting on August 3rd, which is Monday, August 3rd, these products are going to be going live. So I have some brand new summer prints for our 31 zipper pouches. And then also we have launching on the 3rd, our 31 cloth face mask. So I'm going to share with you some of the ones that I have and the details around them, okay? So the first thing I'm going to share today is the 31 zipper pouches that we have. So you guys know these. We've had them forever, and they are tried and true. They've been here a long time, and I literally use these in my life, and I just kind of forget about them from day to day just because they're just always there. So these are our 31, what we call our zipper pouches. Now, I always say you cannot have a large utility tote without a zipper pouch. You can't have a 31 beach bag without a zipper pouch. These things are so handy. So whether you're using it for jewelry, for a first aid kit, I use one in my Adventures backpack for her, and I have an extra set of clothes and underwear for her, and just, you know, any socks, anything that we may need for an accident. They're also great for medicine. In my beach bag, I have my, hey y'all, I have my sunscreen in here. So it does have that laminated interior, as you can see. So it's easily wipeable if you need it to be. So these are so handy to have around, maybe in your car for your manual and your information about your car. So many uses for these zipper pouches. Okay, so this is in the Indigo Burst. We still do have our all day, everyday prints, but we have, let's see, 7 new prints that are going to be launching, okay? And one that I did want to bring to your attention, this is called the On Our Sleeves. This is the On Our Sleeves print. So as you can see, like, it has all these little fun little designs, especially for kids. So $1 from each On Our Sleeves zipper pouch will benefit behavioral health research supported by Nationwide Children's Hospital. So this one is actually super special. So if you are in the market for a zipper pouch, or you just need one for every day, this may be the print that you want to get to help that research as well. Okay, so this is the size of the zipper pouch. Now, in these zipper pouches, these are going to be the new prints, okay? So we've got the lemon. You guys know that main squeeze. We've had it all summer. So we've had product drops all summer long with some of these fun prints. And so you're going to want to complete your collection with these, okay? So we've got the main squeeze zipper pouch, the blue cabana stripe, the Paradise Palms, which is my favorite, pink sparkle and silver sparkle, and these have the sparkle effect to them. We also have the painted peaks and the ombre clouds. So all of these will be the new prints that will be launching on August 3rd. So I do have a couple of the clear clip pouches that are in these prints, just to show you what the prints look like in person. So this is the Paradise Palms print. This is my favorite. Then we have the painted peaks. This is the painted peaks print. Then we have the blue cabana stripe. Okay, and then this is that main squeeze print, which I love. It's so pretty. And this one's trimmed in navy if you wanted to personalize, okay? So that is all the details. Oh, and the zipper pouches are our $15. That's how much they are all day, every day. So you'll be able to get these new prints in these zipper pouches for $15. And you can personalize them, okay? And remember, when you're shopping, our all day, every day customer special. So for every $50 that you spend, you get a 50% off item. So whether you're getting gifts or you want to get stocking stuffers, this is the way to go. Okay, next we're going to be talking about, this has been the big buzz, okay? Our 31 cloth face mask, okay? So the adult ones are going to be $12 and the children's ones are going to be $10, okay? And you can personalize them for $5, okay? And information about our personalization, we're going to have 5 thread colors that you can choose from to personalize. It's going to be black, charcoal, hot pink, platinum, and white, okay? And you can have up to 3 characters, so whether you want to do your monogram or 1 or 2 letters, you'll be able to do that, okay? So I'll show you mine first I'll put mine on and show you what it looks like, and then I'm going to give you all the details about it, okay? You're going to want to listen to all the details and the sizing, because I know with something like this, that sizing and information, these details are very important, okay? All right, so here is my adult face mask. So this is in the Garden Sketch, and I did my monogram, the circle monogram in the hot pink, okay? What I love about these face masks is there is an adjustable ear loop on both sides. So if you ever gotten a face mask and it's either too tight or it's too loose, so this is, I was really impressed, honestly, with the quality of these face masks, because you can adjust this, move it forward or backwards, this little bead right here, you guys see that? And then also we have a wire rim around the nose. So fun fact about me, I worked in the operating room for 8 years. I wore a mask every single day. And you better believe as soon as I put that mask on, I pinched my nose because I wore safety goggles. And so I pinched my nose so it wouldn't fog up my glasses. So this has that wire around the top. If you guys can see that I have the bend in here, it's kind of hard to see, I guess, but you can pinch the nose and it will stay there, okay? So I'm going to pin my hair up just so I can show you guys. It's easier for me to put it on without my hair falling in my face, okay? And I am going to take off my earrings because I don't want them to get on there. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to this is how I put my mask on when I worked in the OR. I put it right here and then I tie it, but these are not tie, okay? So I just hook them around my ears right here, okay? And like I said, I pinch my nose here, and I don't know if you guys can see because I'm not looking in the camera, but right here, and then I've got that covering from here to here. So I love the way this looks like. I think it's cute. And then it's pretty tight around the sides here, just because if I needed to loosen it up around my ears, I definitely could. But you definitely want this to be, you don't want this open space right here. You want it to be close to your face. So I feel like I have great coverage where I'm at here, okay? So you can adjust this. You see, I just keep pinching my nose because that's just what I did in the OR. I feel like I'm back in the OR when I'm wearing my mask. But so that is how I do that. Now you can, this has that cloth. The inside is cloth. So I wore these with my glasses that I wear when I'm on the computer, and it didn't fog them up. Now I'm not saying it's not going to fog you up. It's really just depending on your face structure. All of our faces are different, so you know, it's different for everyone. Okay, all right. So this is actually, I'm going to show you guys the prints for the adults. Okay, so it's got that Garden Sketch, the Desert Blooms right here. Like we as consultants, we were able to pre-order these masks, and a lot of my sisters got the Desert Blooms, and I'm like, oh my gosh, that is so pretty. I really wish I'd gotten that one, but I like the black and white in the Garden Sketch because it. And then we have the Indigo Burst. We have the Seaside Blue, which is really pretty. The Miami Stripe, the Soft Camo, the Sunset Red, and the Whisper Gray print, okay? So, like I said, I'm going to give you guys the details on these face masks, okay? And forgive me, but I am reading off the back of this just because I want you to have all of the details, okay? So I'm going to try to hold it right here so you guys can see, okay? So for the best fit, measure your face from the bridge of your nose to the bottom of your chin and select the largest size for your measurement. So we have two. We have the adult and we have the child. And just a little side note, I'm going to show you the children's ones in just a second. I got two for, one for Lily and one for Clint. Clint's 10 and Lily is 4. And the one I got for Clint, my son, was way too small. So honestly, like, I feel like the kids ones are for like toddlers. So Clint could wear an adult mask. So I would say your child maybe 6 to 7 or older, I would get the adult one and, just cinch it closed, cinch the earpieces. Okay, information. Our cloth face coverings are not sterile and are not intended for clinical or surgical use. These masks are not personal protective equipment, PPE, or filtering respirators, which are the 985 mask. Masks should not be worn by anyone with sensitive skin issues, trouble with breathing, or unconscious, incapacitated, unfitted or unable to remove the mask without assistance. Use of a face mask should not replace other important measures such as social distancing and regular hand washing with soap and water. Due to the nature of this product, we are unable to accept returns or exchanges. All sales are final, okay? And just some key features about our mask. All right, here we go. The front and the back material is cotton. The binding material around the nose is elastane and cotton. This does, as you can tell, it does have that pleated design. Let's see, it has an adjustable bead at the ear loop for a perfect fit, adjustable nose wire. These are machine washable, gentle cycle recommended. I'm going to stop right there for just a second. I personally would not put mine in the washing machine. I would hand wash mine in the sink, but you could put them in the washing machine. I wouldn't. If you have an agitator, I may not do that. Definitely the gentle cycle. Do not dry these. Don't dry them in the sun. If you want to lay them flat or hang them to dry, but do not put them in your dryer. They will shrink, okay? Don't put them in sunlight to dry. Hang them to dry and let them, you know, basically just kind of like drip dry, because you don't want them to shrink on you, okay? Monogramming, as I talked about just a second ago, monogramming and personalization are available for $5. The approximate measurements, okay, so relaxed, this is 3 inches high with the pleats closed. When the pleats are open, it is 5 3/4 inches high extended and then 7 inches long, okay, and the ear loop strap length per side, joint to joint, is approximately 8 inches, okay? And I do want you guys to keep in mind, like I said with the zipper pouches, for every $50 that you spend, you get a 50% off item, okay? So if you want to get one face mask for each of your family members, do personalization, you can definitely do that. You can get you a couple to wear, you know, each day of the week. I felt kind of strange selling face masks, just because I don't want people to think that we are trying to profit off the situation that we're in. But we're having to wear them. You know, we're having to wear them when we go out and about, or we're supposed to. You know, certain stores we're not allowed to, you know, we're not supposed to go in there without them. And I know there's all kinds of things going on, but I'm definitely not trying to profit from this situation. But if you're wanting to get a face mask with a cute print, then we can definitely get you one from 31. Okay. And I talked about personalization already on these. Okay, so I'm going to share with you guys the ones for the children, okay? The ones for the children, the adult ones are $12, and then the children ones are $10, all right? And then here is, sorry, I'm going to move that off my screen. This is the one for the children, okay? So you can see, I'm going to get mine here. So this is the adult one, and then this is the child one. So this one has like 1, 2, 3, 4 pleats, and it opens up just like this. The children ones just has that one pleat, so it doesn't give and it doesn't open a lot. So this is as far as it opens. So as you can see, it was a perfect fit for my daughter who's 4.5, but my son who was 10, I mean, it was way too small for him. And this just has the elastic ear loops here. It does not have the adjustable on there for the child. But like I said, for Lily, this was just perfect. So this is that Miami stripe print. And then for Clint, I got the, which didn't fit, but I got him the soft camo print. So we do have that camo, that soft camo print for the adult as well. So for the child, in the prints for the children, we have the Garden Sketch, the Indigo Burst, the Playful Pop, Miami Stripe, soft camo, and the Whisper Gray. And just some measurements about the children's mask, okay? For the child, select, you can measure from the bridge of their nose to the bottom of their chin, and you'll want to do, the children's one is 2.5 inches to 3.5 inches as far as like however much they that you measure them for here. If they're in between 2.5 inches and 3.5 inches from here to here, then you'll want to get the child's mask. If not, you'll want to get the adult mask, okay? Same rules, and not rules, but well, it's not regulations, but things, you know, you can't use this with sensitive skin issues, you know, trouble breathing. This is a cloth face mask. It's not that N95, okay? Same material as the adult ones. Approximately, this is the measurements for the children ones, approximately 2.5 inches high, relaxed, with the pleats closed. When the pleats are open, they are 3.5 inches high and 5.5 inches in length, okay? And then they've got that loop, the elastic loop around each side for the ears, okay? So I hope it's helpful to see these in person and to learn about them and share my experience with them as far as like the sizing for the kids. If I'd have paid more attention when I did the pre-order, I wouldn't have ordered my son this one. I was just like, oh, a child, when I order him that one. So hopefully you are prepared and you know what size to get. Now I will be, if you're in my VIP group, I will be taking pre-orders tonight. I'm recording this video tonight on Thursday, July 30th. So I'll be taking pre-orders for these starting tonight, and then I will enter them when they go live on Monday, which is August 3rd, okay? So if you have questions, let me know. And I think I covered everything. Remember, when you spend $50, you get a 50% off item. So if you get a bunch of masks or zipper pouches and you spent $50, your next one could be half price, or you can get that beach bag you've been wanting or that thermal you've been wanting, whatever you want to get. You know, you can get that for 50% off. So if you're watching this video on YouTube and you don't have a 𝓕𝓪𝓬𝓮 consultant, I would love to be your girl. I'm going to link below my VIP group on Facebook so you can join. I'll ask you 2 questions and then you answer those questions, and I'm going to send you a private message. So make sure you check that spam folder or your message request folder so you don't miss that message from me. And hopefully we can get you added to my VIP group on Facebook. And thanks so much for watching. If you're watching on YouTube again, make sure you subscribe to my channel. That way you don't miss any of my product videos. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm sorry this was a lengthy video, but there's a lot of details into this, and I wanted to share my experience, and I wanted to share all of those details with you to make you to help you make the best decision when you are shopping. Okay, y'all have a great day. Bye.